Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. Today, we're going to talk about something very interesting. We're going to talk about cleaning my room. In this lesson, we will follow a story about cleaning my room. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen, learn, and practice speaking with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. Lily is 16 years old. She lives with her parents and her younger brother. Lily has her own bedroom. It is a small room, but it is her room, her special place. There is only one problem. Lily's room is very messy. Very, very messy. Let me tell you what her room looks like. Clothes are on the floor. Shirts, pants, socks. Some are clean. Some are dirty. Lily does not know which is which. Books are on the bed. Some books are open. Some books are closed. There are pencils and pens on the desk. Some have no caps. There are empty water bottles on the floor. There is an old banana peel on the shelf. Yes, a banana peel. It has been there for 3 days. Lily cannot find anything. In the morning, she needs her blue sweater. But where is it? She looks under the bed. She looks behind the door. She looks in the closet. Nothing. Finally, she finds it on the chair, under a pile of other clothes. She is late for school again. Lily's mother comes to the door. She says, "Lily, your room is a disaster. You need to clean it." Lily says, "I know, Mom. I will do it later." But later never comes. Days pass. Weeks pass. The room gets messier and messier. One Saturday morning, Lily wakes up. She opens her eyes. She looks around her room. She sees the clothes. She sees the books. She sees the banana peel. She feels something different today. She feels tired of the mess. She feels tired of not finding things. She feels tired of feeling bad in her own room. Lily says to herself, "Today is the day. Today I will clean my room." She gets out of bed. She stands in the middle of the room. She looks at everything. It looks like a big job. It looks difficult. Lily feels a little scared. She does not know where to start. But then she remembers something her mother told her. When a job is big, break it into small pieces. So Lily makes a plan. A simple plan. First, she will pick up all the clothes. Second, she will put away all the books. Third, she will clean the desk. Fourth, she will take out the trash. Fifth, she will make her bed. Sixth, she will sweep the floor. 7 small jobs. Not one big job. Lily starts with the clothes. She picks up one shirt, then another shirt, then a pair of pants. She makes 2 piles. One pile for clean clothes. One pile for dirty clothes. The clean clothes go into the closet. The dirty clothes go into the laundry basket. She picks up socks. She picks up a jacket. She picks up everything, piece by piece. Slowly, the floor starts to appear. The floor has not been seen for a long time. Lily smiles. Next, the books. Lily loves to read. She has many books, but they are everywhere. On the bed, on the floor, on the shelf, on the desk. Lily picks up one book. She puts on the shelf. She picks up another book. She puts on the shelf. She organizes them by size. Big books together. Small books together. The shelf looks nice. Lily feels proud. Now the desk. The desk is covered with papers, pens, pencils, and old snacks. Lily throws away the old snack wrappers. She throws away the empty water bottles. She puts the pens and pencils in a cup. She puts the papers in a folder. She wipes the desk with a wet cloth. The desk is clean. It shines a little. Lily touches the clean surface. It feels smooth and nice. Now the trash. Lily finds many things to throw away. Old receipts, broken pencils, a dried-out marker, the banana peel. Oh, the banana peel is black and ugly. Lily puts in a trash bag. She also finds 3 empty water bottles and 2 soda cans. All of them go into the trash bag. She ties the bag. She puts it by the door. She'll take it outside later. Now the bed. Lily's bed has no sheets. The sheets are on the floor. She picks up the sheets. She puts them on the bed. She puts the pillow in a clean pillowcase. She puts the blanket on top. She pulls the blanket straight. Noreen gives. The bed looks soft and inviting. Lily wants to lie down, but she is not finished yet. Finally, she sweeps the floor. She takes a broom. She sweeps under the bed. She sweeps under the desk. She sweeps near the door. Dust and little pieces of paper go into the dustpan. She throws them in the trash. The floor is clean. It is not sticky. It is not dirty. It is clean. Lily stands in the middle of her room. She looks around. Everything is different. The clothes are in the closet. The books are on a shelf. The desk is clean. The bed is made. The floor is swept. There is no trash anywhere. Lily takes a deep breath. The room smells clean. It smells like soap and fresh air. She opens the window. A gentle wind comes in. The curtains move slowly. Lily sits on her bed. She feels something she has not felt in a long time. She feels calm. She feels peaceful. She feels happy. Lily's mother comes to the door. She opens it. Her eyes open wide. She says, "Lily, your room looks beautiful." Lily smiles. She says, "Thank you, Mom. I did it. I cleaned my whole room." Her mother gives her a hug. Lily feels warm inside. That night, Lily goes to bed early. The sheets are clean. The pillow is soft. The room is quiet and dark. Lily looks around one more time. She sees the books on the shelf. She sees the clean desk. She sees the empty floor. She feels proud of herself. She falls asleep quickly. She sleeps well. No nightmares. No stress. Just a good, deep sleep. The next morning, Lily wakes up. She opens her eyes. The room is still clean. It is not messy anymore. She finds her clothes easily. She gets ready for school fast. She is not late. She has time to eat breakfast with her family. She feels good. Lily learns something important that week. Cleaning is not just about the room. Cleaning is about how you feel. A clean room gives you a clean mind. A clean room gives you peace. A clean room shows respect for yourself. Lily decides to keep her room clean. She does not wait for it to get very messy again. Every evening, she spends 5 minutes picking up things. She puts her clothes away. She throws away trash. She makes her bed in the morning. 5 minutes. That is all it takes. Now, Lily loves her room. It is her favorite place in the house. It is clean. It is calm. It is hers. Now, let's practice speaking. I will say a short sentence. Then you will repeat the sentence. There will be a pause. Use the pause to speak. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not rush. Remember, you are learning. Every time you speak, you get better. Ready? Let us begin. Her room is very messy. Clothes are on the floor. Lily cannot find anything. Her mother says, "You need to clean your room." One Saturday, Lily feels different. She's tired of the mess. She says, "Today I will clean my room." First, she picks up the clothes. Next, she puts away the books. Then, she cleans the desk. She throws away the banana peel. Then, she makes her bed. She pulls the blanket straight. She sweeps the floor. She feels calm and happy. Her mother says, "Your room looks beautiful." She learns that a clean room gives a clean mind. Now, she cleans for 5 minutes every day. Her room is her favorite place. Wonderful. You did an amazing job. Your speaking is improving. I can hear it. Keep going. Now, I will tell you the key parts of the story again. But this time, I will speak a little faster. Not very fast, just more natural. Do not repeat. Just listen. Listen to how the words connect. Listen to the rhythm. This will help your ear understand real English. Here we go. Lily's room is very messy. Clothes on the floor, books on the bed, an old banana peel on the shelf. She cannot find anything. Her mother tells her to clean, but Lily says later. Later never comes. One Saturday, Lily feels tired of the mess. She decides to clean. She makes a plan. First, she picks up all the clothes. Clean clothes go in the closet. Dirty clothes go in the laundry basket. Next, she puts away the books on the shelf. Then she cleans the desk. She throws away old snacks and puts pens in a cup. She wipes the desk. Then she takes out the trash, including the banana peel. Then she makes her bed with clean sheets. Finally, she sweeps the floor. The room is clean. Lily feels calm and happy. Her mother says the room looks beautiful. Lily learns that a clean room gives a clean mind. Now she cleans for 5 minutes every day. Her room is her favorite place. Did you hear the difference? The words are the same, but the speed is a little faster. That is how people speak in real life. Do not worry if you did not understand every word. Listen again. Play this part 2 or 3 times. Your ears will learn. You did a fantastic job today. Cleaning is a great way to learn action, words in English. You listen well, and you practice your speaking. Every day you do this, your English gets stronger and stronger. Thank you for watching Speak Easy English with me, David. If you like this lesson, please hit the like button. It tells me that you want more stories about daily life. Share this video with a friend who is also learning English. It is fun to study together. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a new story. Now, I have a question for you. Do you like cleaning your room? Or is it a difficult chore for you? Tell me in the comments below. I read all of your messages. Keep practicing, keep cleaning, and keep smiling. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.